Here at Dekoni Audio, we specialize in upgrading your listening experience with high-quality headphone accessories such as earpads, cables, headbands, and more. While we strive to create products that offer an exceptional balance of comfort and sound, we also want your headphones to look as great as they feel and sound. With our Dekoni Audio headphone wipes and spray, you can get your headphones to look and feel brand new. Our headphone wipe boxes come with 10 individually wrapped ethyl alcohol-based wipes that allow for quick, easy, and on-the-go cleaning. They're also electronic friendly, meaning you can use our wipes to clean your digital audio player or tablet. Similar to our wipes, our headphone spray offers exemplary cleaning for your headphones, audio accessories, and other electronics. Our spray is also alcohol-based and is safe to use on leather, plastic, carbon fiber, and metal. Both Dekoni Audio's wipes and spray can remove the grime off your earpads, headbands, and ear cups easily in less than a few moments. If you're not careful, your headphones can quickly gather quite a bit of sweat, dust, and dirt. So if you're someone who's looking to keep their headphones in the best possible condition, check out our headphone wipes and spray today at DekoniAudio.com.